Security Smart Systems. We create electronics of tomorrow based on knowledge, modern technologies, and the highest quality standards. Security Smart Systems has 8,000 square meters of industrial and office facilities. The staff is 200 highly skilled and motivated workers. The company is certified in ISO 9001 for quality, 14,000 for environmental management, 18,001 for health and safety management standards. We strictly follow the requirements of IPCA 610 and the RoHS Directive. Security Smart Systems owns over 2,000 square meters ESD certified facility for electronics production. Entering the biggest department for electronics is where we have the ability to support complete projects starting from design and procurement up to box build. The components are stored in an environment with automatic temperature control where humidity is also monitored. The sensitive components are kept in a nitrogen cabinet. The integrated ERP system plans and monitors the manufacturing process, tracking the progress of all orders in real time. We also offer full traceability of components and orders. Security Smart Systems has 2 automatic SMD lines capable of producing up to 60,000 components per hour. We offer assembling of components from 1005S to 140 by 73 by 15 millimeters. Our production is targeted for medium volume high-mix projects. 3D inline automatic optical inspection and 2 other desktop AOIs ensure top level of quality, also with 100% coplanarity checks of BGAs. Security Smart Systems works with 25 highly skilled and motivated operators for through-hole assembly, 2 very productive nitrogen wave soldering machines, and 1 selective nitrogen wave soldering machine ensure continuous high quality of the process. Software loading is executed according to the highest industry standards and following top-level security. Battery packs manufacturing is following the latest trends in electronics, such as Internet of Things and wearable devices. Our high-quality battery packs are also manufactured for medical applications. Cable set manufacturing is done both manually and automatically. We are equipped with a number of tools to support a wide variety of crimps. The manufactured in Security Smart Systems devices pass automatic and manual functional tests, following the customer requirements for serial numbers, identifying and recording of data, including barcodes. Following the market of our assembly individualizes the devices by barcoding, laser marking, manuals, and packing. The LED division is focused on working with business-to-business partners. Our portfolio includes OBM and OEM customizable luminaires suitable for industrial office and street lighting. The metal manufacturing meets the high requirements of the customers for metal enclosures. The process starts from the drawing board with a 3D file, passed through 3 CNC punching machines, 2 deburring machines, 3 press brakes, and 3 spot welding machines. The high quality of powder coating finalizes the process. The production can be for internal use or packed directly for customers. Our plastic department processes ABS, PMMA, polycarbonate, polystyrol, polyamide, and polyethylene. The 14 CNC injection molding machines are working with customer tools or ones created from CAD design and manufactured together with our partners. The largest details can be up to 1.6 kilograms, made by 650 tons clamping force. For overmolding, we have 1 vertical machine. The showroom exhibits some of our manufactured devices, including typical LED lighting fixtures and electronic products. We also provide logistics services. Our advantage is to offer complete solutions for our customers' projects. Security Smart Systems, your reliable and cost-effective manufacturer for your products.